Jimal bamu be kontoni Tony konton Jimal abe Eco TV International the People's Choice la jibe kantenti being a breaking news la sotale kol mi yalon ko be ke kana banko kam biti lo tenti ngola kamalena bi ku jamala bi jami yalon ko interesting tabake follow ngami sotale doro wala Modou Cisseti mi yalon ko na auditor general formo wonu yomi bondal office to on constitutionally bi wala mala court hearing ti kadi ngola soto on the ground aba mol update la quarter nimbo to doro ngana ko ko na soto nene che yasin o fane kuma kambondi le mi yalon ko it is related to ila joino kata UDP ka nimbo to fanan to doro bina United Democratic Party la flag bi min kata his excellency lo Ousainou Darboe o fane kuma kambondi le mi yalon ko akuma yata bakel mbabolo to fanan la bamba kala min to doro wala nyancho yinden kilo mi bondi ay ku jama wulindi banko kanjane mol ya dol ya criticize la dol ba hel ka bodo ube kandoram binanda mba fana ko ka cala do mandi ke doro ba janni baduna ko fan kon doro han bi kala kilo bandi Eco TV International the People's Choice albola jibe contenting annal badi mal roheto toure ngana mani mo ala barka so stay tuned ala try kam follow no all of social media platform ngeta Facebook TikTok and YouTube so mbanti baduna programme fonkono comme nga fala nyami first thing ngami so table kandoro wala no auditor general min keta former auditor general Modou Cissé ya bonde nun ala office to nun on lawfully ya bondi je forcefully so bile keta la fon ko di long awaited court hearing ti moltate jele nga report sol do soto but na report be jele min keta kadi dramati ataban update la pol ni to den nga nana ni viwo sol be ya analyze nyoka kadi
awa wahi
okay yo nyaari
alhamdulillah da fayne
okay comme tata min na doro Modou Cissé ni na kuwembe kiri court hearing you are on the ground so isa more update no mina be je 550
abaraka bake rohi comme be yalo no nyamen dorom sometime last year former auditor general Modou Cissé was forcefully removed by the police from his office after he refused President Barrow's petition to move him to the Ministry of Trade, Industry, Regional Integration and Employment. Woku ko la nak ngajo ko atenata ke mutimi yalon ko ayaje ko ka bonda la office on do ko prate ko sakata man position o accept ko ka minister so bi den ko ko nyin bira balantala ayo samba kor le bi kata kor kere biti ko nyin nak bi chief justice Hassan B Jallow anala paneno lutala e institution wuti this is no nyin nak tata ko court ya ruled that his removal was a violation of his constitutional rights wala keto ko yala nyanto le tinya ala constitutional ko ya itali nyami ketal ko ngolo dua ko but then court pananka itandi molla ko at reinstate Nola back to his position as Auditor General because of the current government situation relationship ni mantara appropriately instead court ordered the court at a continue like a salary receive and allowance as if he is still the Auditor General. Comme wala ko kami itandi ko walon ko Auditor General min bi den abe salary receive la nyame Modou Cissé faram be salary receive la nyame so be it ka deko in this country today we are having two people that are being paid the salary of an Auditor General while one person is performing the role of an Auditor General. Court pana ya itandi ko damage will cost during this timing lead on constitutional removal from his office. Iba compensate la being $4 million. Iba compensate la from the Inspector General of Police. So ku nyendal biteng abelare wala nyama janteng court blood.
Okay, thank you very much Kadi. Nina na report ati mi kata Kadi Dramati atel benu presenting koto ko aliamu ya fona ba ko kanyamendro na former auditor general te min kata Modou Cissé ya bonda la place otole on lawfully inata nan bill keta la court hearing but coming ya decide nyame 550 itamurunde la no ala place oto but then iba minke la dorom iba jolale je damage minke ani iba kala jolal montle salary ni allowances ni yalon ko netara ba position no nyitono hanibi aba karole receive but jani ba jampala ko fan kono dorom nsi kadi bula dorom ay sign out kadi
abaraka bakarahi comme na hono nyamen dorom so senten lamoy lal be salo ko woni belare wala nyama even though it was unconstitutional but then still amantara bofkan amantara murun kala office so nal bari malon Kadi Dramé Eco TV
Okay, Abaraka Bake Kadi Drame, thank you for that wonderful representation of Eco TV International, the People's Choice. Saying, question on minti, walen ko mojama ebe min focus science ententi walen since itari instead la no ala position oto muna be ko je science ententi iba jula le ndu min fana be je science ententi ibo fana jula min keda walen say the same position o mo fula joka be la be jula allowances la be jula salary la meaning ko abika bona state la ko do handi say minamu mol ba fo kanne ko ya bondi je min be je right now yo bondi je ya ta modu system data ya keje dum code fane min fana ko in 60 days inyanta yola di state la pour ya modu system la fonko jo 4 million muta yata ya joala in his favor dul say mol fana ba sirne ko fana dum dafa jeni lu ñu ba expert ya bi fo state ba modu system jola bam wala feyta jola dinen ko di 550 mi ba kering former auditor general la karo say for the meantime bearing ko ni 550 case ni ya bulol nyama mbata fana tula je tentine nga bula je fonyato nga jibe ko bina la la nyame yeah say nimboto modu si sela case to drom fulan jaw bita da binto wala nene ci yasin ya kuma kawmi bonde mi yalon ko afana interesting tabakela bearing bri ila joino UDP ka outbox jamala kumandina banko kanjan 570 so atafane mi bondi bitanti mbola mutala nga dori da do ajam fatale bat mba domandiri la jel dro pour na viwa sol biaj ako coalition talk centered on Gambia First, says Nene Yasin. Political discussions surrounding a possible opposition coalition have been ongoing for several months, with sources close to the negotiations maintaining that the process has been conducted through the appropriate leadership and structures and with a focus on national interest. Speaking on the matter, Nene Yasin said the negotiations were never undertaken without the knowledge and involvement of the party leadership and executive committee members. We have been in talks for months. We understand the process and would never have discussions without leadership and executive committee involvement, she said. According to Yasin, the discussions are guided by the commitment to place the country's interest above partisan considerations. This is about putting Gambia first. Any serious results-based conversation aimed at building a viable coalition has to involve the United Democratic Party, she stated. She also addressed statements made by some political leaders who have indicated they would only support a coalition if they were chosen to lead it. To those leaders who claim that if they don't lead any coalition, they will not support the UDP, Gambians should take time to reflect and ask whether such positions are motivated by personal ambitions or by a genuine desire to serve the Gambian people, Yasin said. She stressed that the decision ultimately rests with the Gambian public, urging citizens to evaluate the intentions of political actors as coalition discussions continue. Yasin further noted that both the People's Progressive Party, PPP, and the United Democratic Party, UDP, are legacy political parties with long-standing histories in the country's democratic journey. PPP and UDP are legacy parties. Both have demonstrated resilience, competence, and a willingness to work together in the interest of putting Gambia first. Nina keta nene Yasin kuma county. Akuma county keta quote me anaka interesting tabaka do messaging as strong tabaka since it is all just toward 2026 election in December 5th. Andum fanan ni nata kuma county evaluate ya jibe bring itoliela intention of intindi komiko iba join la any coalition mi anako it will be led by United Democratic Party. Mo jamal finti tan nek diam bari anything ya je ni dunia balu ko no dol ba support la dol bi je eta support so wala kete ñu poti ñu dol bi je ko iba ko ñi criticize kan as political figures mi yalo ko fam mantra party ko parce que mo xon sotol mi yalo ko dol bi je iba follow ko this is undone ma ñana join la United Democratic Party parce que ni executive ko be ñata fola so I think na molatina nene ci Yasin finti tan ka ko ni executive ko mo ya for comme just yesterday we had a program here na kuma konfuja this is not a one man decision na jikile ko comme party ba nyame it's a draw as a leader ya one year decision not a fire it doesn't work like that so kaji kil ko ni la mol bi ya kacale comme nene ci yasin ya stage ja nyame be ya kacale ndum itol ba min fo ka walenda iba Gambia la je kam first, and as any leader or as any citizen banko ka even Gambia dronten janni ibele on interest jibele yel banko wal interest jibe follow so to bol jibe ka comme yaajel ko United Democratic Party, they are the biggest opposition parties in the Gambia here ndum hanna man ke the biggest fananti it meta nyingi mo kono say now it is over 30 years ndum pipi fana ifana meta janne they are one of the oldest political parties in the Gambia here, if not the first, but they are one of the oldest parties and UDP fana so ni not here resilience jibe ya fonko fana je patience fana jibe and experience ibe ni party flow be ya sotole so kanana together I don't think that should be a problem to anyone ekaje since ibe fight come for the rights and the Gambia fonko nyatota ibe bola kala kuoto so mo len hanan ka kafunyo kan o manyana kala problem ti as comme sura kafunyame mbolo moy dole ka folen sembod so ñi step oni I personally I congratulate them, it is a good move and then so ko nyimba tentina dal ngaji bu nyandum viewers sol fana alkananyina albi yalla comment wol sennam fonko fana kono comment section oto mobe yola views fana nji sign babolo to doro bita His Excellency Lawyer Ousainou Darboe, the flag bearer of United Democratic Party UDP afana tuma kam bondi le message yo bo fana read la jibe a very strong one. My dream is a Gambia where every citizen can smile again, a nation built on hope, justice, opportunity, and dignity. For too long, many of our people have carried burdens and challenges, but the strength of the Gambian spirit cannot be broken. Together, we will run hardship into progress, challenges into opportunities, and dreams into realities. The further we want is possible. The future we want is possible. A Gambia where young people have opportunities, families have security, and every citizen feels proud. Every citizen feels proud of the nation we call home. The smile of the Gambian people will return. Our hope will rise. Our nation will move forward. Together, we will build a stronger Gambia. Together, we will restore the pride and happiness of our people. A.N.M. Darboe. Nyinaketa His Excellency Lawyer Ousainou Darboe Lokuma County. Coming, it is all about Gambia, just Gambia. So, the one that hits me most, Gambia was smile again. Since Gambia, the slogan is what? The smiling coast of Africa. So right now, Mojama BJ Kafolko, don't talk Kafolko, the crying coast of the Gambia as of now. Sense entity, but then I mean Foko, if Gambia smile, it bari stole back again. So nothing more for Nigeria, ikay. Message ni yami fodoro, wala unity. Unity lembele semboti, ngaji kimbe nyanta kafula nyokane ka unity mutakata ka restore na banko kanja. Puru mbele fta Gambia mina inshallah sama ngaje. So regardless of your political background, regardless of your religion, regardless of your ethnicity, I think everybody should come together. Bari mbemu Gambia note at the end of the day. Mbemu hadabadi ngoti fanam. You want good, ndalafta better mala. So ngaji ngem nyanta mbulo ka flanyo kan Gambia be nyanta kelol nyama. So this ni negative talks otan samala dulato. Yami for the role alimbe ngana together nga Gambia build. Lafta Gambia nyame ni nata together abe kelo nyam ni naketa His Excellency Lawyer Ousainou Darboe fana Kuma County. So juber la ba boloto fana to dro bitana final one woto min yalon ko ay heated debate natina na banko kanja mi yalon sa fara fo ngana hitta dan moda mi yalon ko aba rampandri na banko kanja 550 ikay so ate ada fana ta felenting nyancho den kilo bone min keta wulolu ba biri nyi fidita aketa makam bati banko kanjanna ay kankan si yandi bakela so ada fana nata na club bakela ay message o felenting mbat ngo fana read. A new song by the Afro-Manding artist Dudu Mane, known professionally as Nyancho, has ignited a wave of debate across Gambian social media, with its blunt accusations against the government and its warning about the limits of political power resonating far beyond the unusual far beyond the usual music audience. The track's central message is unambiguous: no leader and no administration. It's larger than the nation it serves. A recurring Mandinka verse at the heart of the song drives that point home with particular force. Translated into English, the line reads, "The presidency will not last forever. No matter how long it takes, it will end one day." Another line, a direct accusation directed at those in power. Accusing them of habitual deception has become the song's most quoted passage online. The song goes further. Nyancho accuses the government of breaking a promise of dignity to the Gambian people, claiming that was originally presented as a limited term in office has stretched to a decade while public funds have been mismanaged. He also makes a pointed reference to a leaked audio recording from a private meeting involving Deputy Speaker Sirinja, a recording that caused widespread indignation when it surfaced online earlier this year. In an interview following the song's release, Nyancho said his intention was not provocation for its own sake, but public education, a desire to remind citizens of their rights and to hold those in government to account for their obligations. "I am not only an artist," he said, "I am a national worker. That is why many times you see me in a security uniform. I am a people's soldier who does have a voice." So ñene keta Nyancho fana na kuma kaunti comme nga fara ñame dron ala kuma kawni ay outburst jamana tina na banko kane different reactions, but then the majority comme bir video ñi findita mol ba mi fo kandoro wala toñati iko toñale according to molo bari amantara fen fo kam al den kilo ñi ko mi yalon ko ameke toñati. This all clear as day ko tilo ka clear ñama biba clear wol ñam mi ba kiri banko ka Nyancho dama ndum comme ni min dalta Nyancho den kilo la amanke like aka den kilo min la ni some artists la den kilo fatata ate comme min ba kiri society kondoro Nyancho ko la. So this one shouldn't be any different na zero. So atela den kilo bol ñam, but then hani bi ko be siar na dol ba folo ko nanata nan inyanta comme currently amantara banko kam as we land dol ba folo ko nanata nan inyanta mutal ya arrest. So dol fana bol fana criticize as at what cost inyanta arrest la mina ber amam fe fo jemi yalon ko to nyante ndum amam mo fana to mention in particular ni isa fe ba pinpoint la woto pour kanane ka arrest. But hani bi vivo sol battle blood ron ali ala thoughts fo ali comment na comment section ro ali be comment je ko nga ko mi be ka tiajam mom moy la mira rom mi doron ali be sen na comment section ro. So Nyancho tabatenti ne che yasin fana His Excellency lawyer Usain Dabo ani Modou Cissé the former auditor general say a felenti nata nan ko bandulato mbadi jibirlal hani bi kal ba hakilo blandi doron Eco TV International, the People's Choice, alla favorite TV station mimunidi ndum hani bi mba ko nyimbata mba follow la minketa Modou Cissé the former auditor general case ni hani bi mba follow la. So aletara sirim bunda dal ni parentero to doron na dum tam nyam doron check aliataliama. So pour wodoron aliatra ka subscribe na channel to aliyan na notification button may sa ni nga fem dundi doron albajela ndun nak reporter fana minketa Kadi Dramé de bo fana tentu la bajela every time ni case ni naknam adaba tarajela pour kal update ko wonina anin da fana min be minketa le toure ngandi muwte. So Allah barka baake mbadi dol bi nga ñi nga sotale